Hi traders, welcome back to JJP Trading Academy. Today in this video we are going to discuss about a new information about Zerodha platform. So there is a new update in Zerodha platform right now. So you can see in Zerodha platform you will be seeing this IceBerg option. So this is a new trading option for every intraday traders as well as positional traders. So this is a new update which will be easy to tackle the freeze limit now. So I will be discussing the total information about the IceBerg option as well as throughout in this video. I wish every traders to watch this video till the end, then only you can understand the total information about this IceBerg option. And if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button, then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. And I wish every traders to, once completing this video, I wish every traders to comment below in this video about this video, as well as to know more details about stock market, and whatever the information you need you can comment below. I will be posting the related videos in the upcoming videos. So before entering into the video information, now we need to know about the freeze limit first of all. So what is freeze limit? It is nothing but a freeze limit is the limit which has been secured for each and every scripts in indices. So actually before in a longer period time, so there is no fixed limit that the trader can only trade this much of quantity in a particular individual segment. That is at the same time there is no limit for a particular trader that they could not trade more than this much quantity or this much lot size. There is no limit first of all. So once every year the SEBI rules has been updated year by year. Now actually the SEBI has been fixing a freeze limit that this much quantity can be only traded by every index traders or option future. Every traders can trade only a lot size, this much only they are limiting right now. So according to the new update of 1st April 2022, there is a limit that the freeze limit has been updated as per the indices. So right now you can see for Bank Nifty, for the previous year, that is 2021, almost 1200 quantities it was there, that is 48 lots. Only a particular trader can trade 48 lots at the same time. He could not place more than 48 quantity. If you place also, it will be rejected. So this is the freeze limit actually. So now it has been also for Bank Nifty the same only, it's sustained right now 1200 only, as well as for Nifty. Now you can see 2800 was the previous freeze limit, but now you can see 1800 there has been restricted. So almost 36 lots only can be taken by Nifty traders. So Nifty traders could not place more than 36 lots at the same time once you punching your order. So this is called a freeze limit. So now actually to overcome the issue of freeze limit, the Zerodha platform Demat has been came to a new option called IceBerg. So let us see with the Bank Nifty options. First of all, I will be choosing with ATM strike price. So right now you can see, now I have choose the ATM strike price as a basic. So once you choose any strike price or with Bank Nifty or Nifty, so basically you will be having the option regular as well as AM order. So now there is a new option, that is IceBerg. So the IceBerg is nothing but the split an order into a smaller order. So now they have given there in the top. So once you choose the IceBerg, the normal orders whatever we choose, intraday as well as normal, and the stop loss limit, stop loss, market order, everything it will be there as it is only, the market order as well as limit order. So now once according to our freeze limit, according to Bank Nifty, we can take only 1200 quantity only. So if you want to trade more than this, you need to go for IceBerg option only. So for example, if you are trading more than 1200, let us take 10,000 quantity. So if you want to trade with 400 lots, that is 10,000 quantity. So now I need to go for IceBerg option only. So this is available only right now in Zerodha desktop option only. So you could not see in mobile also. So they have said that they will be updating in mobile also in future. So if you want to trade with 10,000 quantity, so according to freeze limit only 1200 can be taken at the same time. So to reduce, to overcome this, now we need to increase the legs here. So in the below they have given an option called number of legs. So for 2 legs you can see 200 lot, it will be separating a single thing. So now it will be showing you 5000 quantity only. So now also we could not overcome the freeze limit. So if you want to overcome here, you should it should come the freeze limit below only. So right now it's showing 5000 quantity per leg. So then also you could not separate the you could not overcome the freeze limit. So I will be increasing this legs first of all to reduce till the freeze limit. So then only we can place the position at the same time of 10,000 quantity at the same time. The market order current market price we are going to place at the same time with the same price at the time. So this is how. So till number of legs 9. So 9 if I keep means 1125 quantity. So then now you can see it is lesser than the 1200 quantity. So the freeze limit has been we are now reduced to the freeze limit, that is 9 legs. So we are separating our 10,000 quantity into a 9 legs separately with 45 lots we are separating the 400 lot size. So once you separate like this, now you can place the buy order at the same time. It will be punching the order in the market current market. Once it running also it will be placing this order. So this is the future of IceBerg. So for more option, if you go for more option, there will be an option called day. So once you click on day, now this order will be cancelled until the day close. If for example if I placing the limit order for 300 rupees, so now the market is 345. If I am placing the limit order of 300 means it will be waiting till the 300 price until the day close. It will not be cancelled, the order will not be cancelled until the day close. For example, if you are choosing immediate IOC means immediately until it will be waiting. Once you are punching the order, it will be seeing whether the price is 300 rupees. If the price is not 300, then it will be cancelling the order. This is the second option. As well as the third option, you can keep the minutes how much time it can wait and see whether the price is coming towards your limit order, otherwise it will be cancelling. For example, at least you can wait for 2 minutes. If the price is not coming to 300, it will be cancelled. So this is the option, 3 options. So it will be available in the both regular as well as AM order also. This is a more options only. So basically we will be keeping day only. So this is. So before using this IceBerg order, so we need to know more information about this first of all. So as a basic thing is first thing we need to know that is the maximum number of legs we can use, that is only 10. So more than the 10 legs we could not use. So for example, if I choosing 15,000, so I could not divide it and I could not reduce the freeze limit below 1200 right now. So maximum is 10 only. So more than 15,000 quantity and all we could not reduce the quantity to 1200. So right now it's 1500. So we could not reduce more below than 1200. So this is one of the disadvantage here. So maximum almost we can trade with 12,000. So 12,000 is almost maximum. So this is how we can use this number of legs. Maximum is 10 only. So this is the first point. And the second point is, once you are trading with IceBerg option, this option will be taking you the brokerage charges according to the number of legs you are using. For example, if you are trading with a single entry, if you are going to take a single entry, then the brokerage will be taken only for that particular entry. But once you are trading with the IceBerg, so according to the number of legs only, it will be calculating the brokerage charges. Now almost you are taking with 10 legs, so it will be calculating into 10 times of the brokerage charges. So for example, if you are trading with 1200 means now you will be charged only for one trade entry. So it will be calculating like that. For if for right now we are trading with 10 legs, so it will be multiplying with 10, and according to that only your brokerage charges will be increased. IceBerg, if you are squaring off any one leg, then every legs will be squared off at that same time. As well as if you are modifying the leg, if you are placing a stop loss also, everything will be applied automatically to the each and every legs. If you are just modifying only one leg also, in the every legs it will be modified same as it is whatever the modifications you are doing. For example, if you are placing a stop loss for one leg also, every legs it will be placing the same stop loss as well as the same target, and the exit also happening for same as it is for every legs. For example, this is how. And this IceBerg order will not be placed after the market hours as well as the before market hours. So it will not be working in the pre-market as well as the post-market. So you are using this iceberg option in equity. Minimum you need to have a 1 lakh orders, then only you can use this iceberg option in equity. And in F&O, if you are using iceberg option, you can minimum you can start trading with 5 lots of bank nifty or nifty, whatever the segments. If you are trading in F&O, you need to have to trade with the minimum 5 lots. And now this iceberg order is available in NSE with equity, currencies and F&O options, and it's not available for MCX traders. See, you can use only in equity only in this iceberg option. You could not use in MCX or F&O also. In BSE, you could not use this iceberg order with the market order or stop loss market order. You could not use this iceberg order. Only with limit order you can place the in BSE. The main motive of the Zerodha platform is to introduce the iceberg option. Is they replied that they need to introduce a new option that will be reducing the impact cost of the traders. So once we start trading, if you are punching in any order with a market order, for example, now the current market is running with 345. So once you start punching 1,000 quantity, if you will be seeing in orders position that sometimes the order will be taken for a 500 quantity with 345.05 rupees, and for another 500 quantity it will be taking 345.10 paise. So to reduce the impact cost, the impact cost is nothing but the point variation of the particular strike price or particular scripts. It will be varying, right? So to reduce this, the iceberg option has been came. So once you are taking how much lots, more huge quantity, now we are going to trade with the iceberg option. Then also the same strike price at the current market price, the every legs of the particular iceberg option, if you are taking trade with the 10 legs also, it will be executing in market order with the same price. If you are if it is taking in a market order with 345.10 paise, then every legs and every quantity will be taken in 345. So this will be reducing the impact cost. That is, if you will be in a loss of 500 rupees or any minimum loss, it will be happening if you are trading with a normal order or regular orders. If you are punching the orders, 500 quantity will be taken in another price, as well as in another 500 quantities will be taken in another price. So now you will be having a minimum small point variation, that is a impact cost. So to reduce the impact cost only, the Zerodha platform has been introduced this iceberg option. So I wish every traders understand about the iceberg option, and if you have any doubts about iceberg option, you can comment below in this video, and I wish every traders to comment about the next videos also. According to your wish, I will be posting the next videos also. Thank you traders, thanks for watching this video till the end. We'll be meeting in the next video. Until that, stay tuned, subscribe to our channel.